Learn how to remove the front bumper of your Kia Soul with this step-by-step guide. 1. Remove the mounting clips, and then remove the air duct, A. 2. Loosen the radiator upper cover mounting bolts and clips. 3. Loosen the front bumper lower mounting clips. 4. After loosening the front bumper sides mounting screw, then disconnect the sides. 5. Disconnect the fog lamp connector, A, and front bumper main connector, B. 6. Remove the front bumper cover. Step 1. Lift up the lower side of the front bumper cover, A. Step 2. Remove the front bumper cover, A, by pushing it rearward to release the locking pins, B, located upper side of the front bumper cover. Step 3. Remove the front bumper cover, A. 7. Install in the reverse order. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.